Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Virgos, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Four of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. So in your circumstances, guys, Virgos, you are someone really kind and compassionate, guys, and you are a friendly person. So you have good friends in your work and even in your life, in your personal life, you have friends and you have good communication skills and you love to work with people and you are a great company. So people generally like to be with you, like to spend time with you, and that is what even your person feels about you, guys, and they love you for that. And in this relationship, guys, maybe there are some things happening. You are making some important decisions for yourself. Maybe you're thinking of marriage or commitment. Maybe you have achieved something in your career. You have reached some goals and that was what was the first priority for you, your career. You have done well there, you have reached a goal or achieved whatever you need to, and you are happy for it and you want to make that next step in this relationship. That is the reason you are thinking of commitment, maybe marriage. And maybe for some of you, you are someone who has certain beliefs or ideals and you want to do anything based on that, guys. You have a particular way of handling yourself, handling your situation, and maybe you expect this person also to listen to you because you are someone friendly, someone really good. You have a good knack of telling this other person what needs to be done, and you are quite quite strong in your views and ideas, and you want this person to listen to you, maybe, guys. And you are not someone who listens to others, so your way of handling things is quite rigid. You are not flexible, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are too possessive, maybe, of certain things. Maybe you want to do things in a particular way and this person may not like it for some of you, guys. So if that is the situation, Virgos, you need to be careful, guys. So you need to be really flexible if you want a positive, meaningful relationship, Virgos. So you must give up your possessive nature, and that is what is really difficult for this person to adjust, guys. Your possessive nature is the most difficult thing that they cannot handle. So maybe for some of you, you are even indulging in their freedom, trying to find out what they are doing, being too nosy or being too bossy. So if that is the situation, Virgos, you need to keep it in check, guys. And even in your career situation, guys, you have your ideas and you want to work in that particular way, and you are quite adamant holding on to your ideas and your way of doing things. But sometimes you must listen to people because we see that you are someone really friendly. So you must be what to say, fair enough to listen to them, listen to the other person, because I see you are having great opportunities. You have succeeded in few things, and there are great opportunities opening right in front of you, Virgos. So in order to achieve that success, complete success, you need to work with people, and the better way to do that is to work in a friendly way, keeping this possessiveness in check. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So we have Never Ending Story. This is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, guys, in your relationship, in your circumstances today, you are repeatedly going through in your mind what happened, guys, what happened in your past. All that pain, that loneliness, abandonment and rejection that you felt. And you, instead of telling the happy things that you experienced, the joy you had, the love you experienced, and that deep bond and connection you had with that person, you are thinking and remembering the negative aspects of that relationship, and maybe that shame and fear and low self-esteem may be the greatest challenges you are facing that is preventing you from having a good relationship today. So your past and all that pain and fear of intimacy, maybe telling this person you are with all your pain and whatever happened in your past, that is the reason for stress and emotional baggage in this relationship, guys, and that is causing lot of problems for you in this connection, guys. So you need to have compassion for yourself, forgive yourself for whatever happened, and tell yourself a positive story, the way you were, the way the relationship was. So all that positive things that happened, and you can do it, because whatever you are telling yourself right now, it is only your point of view. It may be that story may be entirely different with that other person, guys. So you have to tell yourself positive things, have positive thoughts in your mind and be positive today, and that is what is going to break the story of sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So for those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is Hansel, Survival. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not be gullible. You should not be that innocent person who will fall for others' tricks. So you should use your wits, think fast, and access your inner genius and work out the way. Maybe you need to overcome your fear. You may feel fear, you may be afraid of certain things, but that fear should bring about smartest thinking and smart action in your circumstances, giving you courage and strength to handle your situation. So opportunity is there for you to work with someone. Maybe there is another person just like you, they are just hurt like you, and they are here to help you maybe, and you can make use of this help you are getting today, guys. And no matter what your situation is, no matter how big challenges you are facing in this relationship or in your life, in your work situation or wherever it is, guys, you are you are a very compassionate person, and you have your own skills and talents. You need to have that trust in yourself, guys, and you must implement the clever ideas that you have within you today to avoid further difficulties, and you are a greatest inspiration. So whatever challenging situation you are in, guys, you find the right way to come out of it, and you have leadership skills, and you are a very compassionate and kind person. You help others, so that may be the reason people love you and people appreciate you for that. So maybe circumstance, or there is someone waiting to put you down or pull you down, but you need to show them your strength, your true strength, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.